So guys, ito talaga ang aking pakiramdam ngayon. Before I came out, I don't feel good. I'm feeling kind of something going on in my body, but I fight for it. Of course, I pray. The most important is the prayer to fight anything of anxiety, anything of depression, anything of stress. So, while nakita ko tong flower, nag-i-engage ako dito sa ano na to. Live talaga sila, guys. Nature talaga, yung nature talaga, there is a big effect and a therapeutic effect to the human being. Kaya ako, alam nyo, iba yung pakiramdam ko, guys. Iba yung pakiramdam ko pag nasa loob lang ako ng kwarto. Mas gusto ko talaga, nag-i-engage ako sa nature. Mas gusto ko talaga yung nag-aano ako ng mga halaman, ganito. Kasi lumalakas ako at nagkakaroon ng yung immune system ko lumalakas. Kaya ayun, guys. Totoo po yan. Just listen.